Anglo-Saxon Chronicle. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle is a collection of historical records written in Old English. It was started during the reign of King Alfred the Great, late 9th century, and was continued by different monks in various monasteries until the 12th century. This chronicle is one of the most important historical sources about Anglo-Saxon England, covering events from the Roman occupation of Britain, 1st century AD, to the Norman Conquest, 1066. Multiple versions exist, with slight variations depending on where they were written. The chronicle records major historical events, including early Roman and Saxon rule. It describes how the Romans controlled Britain and how the Anglo-Saxons later arrived and settled. The Viking invasions. The chronicles detail Viking raids, battles, and how rulers like Alfred the Great defended England. Kings and battles. The rise and fall of Anglo-Saxon kings, including Athelstan, Canute, and Edward the Confessor, are recorded. The Norman Conquest, 1066. The famous Battle of Hastings and the defeat of the last Anglo-Saxon king, Harold Godwin's son, by William the Conqueror are narrated. Importance of the Chronicle. It is the earliest known historical record in English, making it a key source for historians. It provides insights into Anglo-Saxon society, culture, wars, and leadership. It helps us understand the transition from Anglo-Saxon to Norman rule. This chronicle remains a valuable historical treasure, giving us a first-hand look at medieval England.